Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, variable speed, intermittent wipers, rear window defroster. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.